Hi, welcome to mycutetoons with Jock. Today we're going to draw an animal with a number. So I think let's start with number 1. So what can we draw with number 1? I think maybe a bird. Yeah, I think a bird can work. So let's try it out. Let's see if it works. So the first thing we're going to do, you're going to draw 1 like so. There we go. There's 1. Now from there, let's see how to draw a bird. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to extend the 1 like so. Good. And then I'm going to return it like this. Yeah, so we're going to draw a little beak and you can draw a little line up like so. Good. And on top of that, we're going to draw an eye. You're going to draw a big eye with an eyelid. And on this side, we're going to do the same thing. Another eye with an eyelid. Yeah, that's great. And the eye. There we go. And there's the other eye. Great. Some light reflection. Good. And this one's going to have a little bit of light reflection as well. Good. There's a little beak. Great. Now from here, what I will do, I'll draw the head. So maybe let's make it sort of a crane. There we go. And we have a little crane. Good. And we're going to return the head like so. And we're going to go down. Out. There we go. And from here, let's draw the body. So you're going to go around like so. Good. And you're going to return it. There we go. And a wing. Let's draw a wing. So there's 1, 2, 3. Good. And we're going to go from here and we're going to return there. There we go. There's a wing. Beautiful. And now I want us to draw the back of the bird. So we're going to go down like this. Perfect. And we're going to go like so. Now from here, we're going to draw a straight line down with a little kneecap down. And then the same thing with a little kneecap down. And there's the 2 legs. Perfect. Perfect. And the feet, the claws. There we go. And this one we're going to do the same thing. Yeah, perfect. Good. And now for the back side of the leg. So you can just bring it down a little bump there. And this one as well. You bring it down a little bit of a bump there. And you're going to bring it down all the way. Perfect. There we go. And the next thing we're going to do, we can maybe draw maybe a tree branch or something that our bird is sitting on. There we go. Good. And there's the tree. Yeah, perfect. There's a little tree branch. Next, because it's a crane has a tail something like this. So you can just draw the little tail like that. And from here, we can actually just draw a line so to give us 2 different colors for our bird. And we're going to complete the mouth like so. And you're going to just draw a line in between like that. Good. And that's our little crane. That was quite easy to do. What do you think? It was a pleasure drawing with you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'll see you soon.